Alright, you guys, morning of Motorcar Cavalcade Concours d'Elegance here in Aventura, Miami, JW Marriott Turnberry Resort and Spa. It's a little bit of a tongue twister, but they've got a couple of the F1 cars here. You guys see the Red Bull Oracle car there. They've got another one here. Setup's been going down. My boys from the Karis Culture have been here since, I don't know, 6. Got all the sunrise shots. They're covering everything production. I just left the hospitality suite where the judges are meeting. They got the docent judges and then the celebrity and VIP guest judges. We're all sitting together in about 20 minutes. I just wanted to come out here, get some sun, show you guys this beautiful venue and give you an idea of what is gonna go down today. So, sun is out, there's not a cloud in the sky, it's absolutely perfect. This guy's putting the greens and we are going to get over here soon. There's another F1 car right here. You know what, let's do it right now. Let's walk a little bit because I've got about 20 minutes and I'll give you an idea. We're gonna walk to the judges tent, which is all the way on the other side of the stage that I showed you guys yesterday. So let's go right here where we've got some elevation. Got that F1 car. And then here we are. So Haggerty's here, my guy right here. This is where it is, you guys. The stage is over there, judges tent is over there. I'm gonna head over with all of the judges soon. They're laying out all of the cars. We've got a couple of hours, they're not finished yet. And I look forward to being here with you guys throughout the day and you guys being here with me. Thank you again as always. I love and appreciate all of the friends, fans, and subscribers and just anyone and everyone who watches this. So thank you guys for living a day in the life with me. Concours d'Elegance, Miami. Let's go.
When to start your engines. This is impromptu, so hopefully you'll be willing to join us. Please go to your cars and be ready in about 15 seconds. All right, ladies and gentlemen, start your engines.
Finally completed my duties as a judge. In this type of event, it's very particular. I'm gonna really get into the details of it. Fins, panels, glass, dashboard. These are the types of categories that they have at this concours event. If that sounds weird to you, well, it is. It's very atypical. It's a very specific kind of judging. So it took a long time, but it's an experience. It helps me grow as an enthusiast, helps my mind grow and to understand calibers, tiers, pedigree, lineage, etc. of cars. So I'm here now and we're actually gonna walk through the event together. Just the whole field right here. We got all these cars right here, but I wanted to check in and say, let's go and actually walk as an enthusiast, as someone attending. Are you guys ready? Let's go.
the glass category goes to the Wickman collection. Next up is the accessories category. Excellence in class goes to John Sebastian. Lights. Winner in the lights category. I'm sorry,